Did you know that over 50% of the world's population is bilingual or multilingual? That's right, more than half of us can communicate in at least two languages. This stunning fact underscores the importance of language learning in our increasingly interconnected world. In the global village, being multilingual is fast becoming the norm, rather than the exception. So, if you're among the half of the population that only speaks one language, it's time to catch up. Welcome to A Simple Why, the channel that brings you easy-to-understand explanations and practical tips. Here, we unravel the mysteries of everyday life, and today we're exploring a fascinating topic, the benefits of learning a new language. Today, we're diving into the world of language learning. Opening, you might wonder why you should invest time in learning a new language. Let's delve into that. The benefits of language learning are indeed vast and varied, encompassing cognitive, professional, cultural, and personal aspects. Starting with the cognitive benefits, learning a new language exercises your brain like a gym workout for your mind. It enhances memory, improves multitasking skills, and even delays the onset of cognitive decline in later life. Imagine your brain as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And learning a new language is a fantastic way to give it a good workout. Now let's talk about career opportunities. In our increasingly globalized world, speaking more than one language is becoming a highly sought-after skill. It can open doors to job opportunities abroad or in multinational companies. Even if you're not planning to work overseas, employers often view bilingualism as a testament to your dedication and adaptability. Moving on to cultural understanding, learning a new language is like getting a VIP pass to another culture. It allows you to understand and appreciate cultural nuances that would otherwise go unnoticed. You get to experience films, music, literature, and conversations in their original language, unfiltered by translations. It's a way to broaden your horizons and become a global citizen, embracing diversity and promoting understanding. Finally, on a personal level, learning a new language can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It's not just about the words and grammar rules, but about the journey of discovery, the challenge of stepping out of your comfort zone, and the joy of communicating with people in a language that once seemed alien to you. It boosts your self-confidence and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Closing. Clearly, the benefits of learning a new language are vast and varied. So, why not start your language learning journey today? You never know where it might take you. Now that you understand the benefits, you might be eager to start learning, but where should you begin? Well, let's dive right in, shall we? The first step is to set realistic goals. It's essential to know where you're heading. Are you learning a new language to travel, for work, or just for fun? Setting clear, achievable goals will help guide your studies and keep you motivated. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is language proficiency. So, be patient with yourself. Next, finding the right resources is crucial. There's a smorgasbord of materials out there, from textbooks to language learning apps, online courses, and even language exchange programs. It's important to find what suits you best. For some, traditional classroom settings might work, while others might prefer a more flexible digital approach. Remember, different strokes for different folks. Now, on to the third tip. Practice, practice, and practice. Yes, you heard that right. One of the most effective ways to learn a new language is to use it as much as possible. This could mean speaking with a language exchange partner, writing in a journal, or even talking to yourself. Don't shy away from making mistakes. They're a crucial part of the learning process. Just think of them as stepping stones on your path to fluency. Another great way to practice is to immerse yourself in the language. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to pack your bags and move to another country. You can create your own immersion environment right at home. Listen to music, watch movies, or read books in the language you're learning. This will not only improve your listening and reading skills, but also give you a better understanding of the culture behind the language. Our fourth tip is all about keeping your motivation high. We won't sugarcoat it. Learning a new language can be challenging. There will be times when you feel like giving up. That's why it's crucial to keep reminding yourself of why you started in the first place. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Reward yourself when you reach a milestone. Stay connected with a community of language learners for support and encouragement. Lastly, and most importantly, have fun with it. Language learning isn't a chore, it's an adventure. Explore new cultures, meet new people, and open your mind to new ways of thinking. So there you have it, folks. Setting realistic goals, finding the right resources, practicing regularly, keeping motivation high, and having fun are the keys to successful language learning. We hope these practical tips will help you embark on your language learning journey with confidence and enthusiasm. Remember, the key to language learning is consistency and practice. Learning a new language is a journey, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding and enjoyable one. We've explored some surprising facts about language learning and its multifaceted benefits. It's not just about adding a new skill to your resume. It's about opening doors to different cultures, enhancing cognitive abilities, and fostering stronger connections with people around the globe. Remember, the key to learning a new language lies in making it a part of your daily routine. Whether it's through apps, books, or language exchange partners, consistent practice will help you gradually build your vocabulary and comprehension skills. And don't forget the golden rule of language learning: never fear mistakes. They are your stepping stones to fluency. We also delved into practical tips for beginners. From setting realistic goals to immersing yourself in the language, each strategy is designed to make your language learning journey smoother and more effective. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Picture yourself conversing fluently in a new language, understanding foreign films without subtitles, or even reading books in their original language. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to A Simple Why, and leave a comment about your language learning experiences or goals. See you in the next video.